boat behind us with our lovely Ender and Aiden in the front, so we should hopefully be there in an hour where we'll be doing some tubing. Hopefully it will be a good day if everything goes well, so yeah, see you there. Hopefully this will be fun. We'll be getting the boats in soon, and then we'll be going tubing, and then we'll probably set up camp. So yeah, it'll be a fun day. Yeah. I just got out changing. We'll hopefully probably put the boats in soon. It's really nice out. It's pretty warm. No, not too warm. It's perfect temperature. Boys are jumping in over there, or well, they're over there now. But yeah, can't wait to get in. So we just got on to shore. They have the boat anchored there. We're gonna go and set up camp. Have to go up this little ledge. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and set up my hammock. Just got off the boat. I think I left my tarp home, so hopefully it doesn't rain tonight. It was just a cheap tarp anyway, so have plenty. Yeah, this should be good. I just finished up setting up camp. Probably going to eat lunch soon. I think there's the fixings right over there, actually. I left all the other camera gear on the boat, so I just, because you kind of have to go through the water, and my other stuff's not really so waterproof. So I'll try to get that out sometime after we go tubing, but for now I'm just gonna record on this. Sorry if the audio is really bad. We're heading down to go out tubing. We finished up lunch, camp set up. Yeah, we'll be crossing into our boat. So we just got on the boat and we'll probably be leaving soon. Everybody's getting their life jackets on. There's Ender, he's waving.
Don't worry, get in front of the camera.
Yeah. Having fun. Yeah, so we just got back from the boat. It's not cloudy right now, but we've been hearing a lot of thunder and lightning, so it might be raining soon. I did actually get my tarp. Some people moved it so it wouldn't blow away from the back of the truck. So I have that set up, but it's not very good, so gotta get that set up. Hopefully it will not rain. Hopefully we can just go ahead and go back on the boat soon. Yeah, we just heard the craziest crack of thunder. It was like someone setting off an explosion. It probably hit a tree or something. We managed just to finish setting up all of our gear. I have all my gear in my hammock tent. Hammock. I did get my tarp back. I think I already said that. So hopefully that will keep out the rain. We might have to wait for this thunderstorm out in the cars if it's really thundering. So I don't know how long this is. Maybe we'll be lucky and be able to go back in the boats for some more if we're lucky. So yeah, this is not very good. It is getting ready to have a lightning storm. I think I have all my gear ready. My 5 years of scouting, I have like never seen a thunderstorm this bad, and that's saying some stuff. Well, maybe not the worst, but up in the top 5. Just chilling out in the neighborhood. Yeah, it just looks like the storm is just gonna hopefully blow over. So yeah, we'll probably go do some boating tomorrow. Maybe today. Well, probably not today. I think it's kind of late. We're just kind of hanging out here. Should be able to hear some of the thunder out here. That's annoying. We're just kind of hanging out. Kind of was playing some cards with them, but the game was going on for too long, so I stopped. Yeah, we're just chilling, and hopefully this will stop thundering soon. So, except I don't think it's gonna rain, so that's good. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing an acorn war, I think soon, a very safe acorn war. We should be getting some footage of that. Have like a head strap.
I will film the footage because I don't feel like it because I'm lazy. Fast.
Yeah, so,
Be free, acorn!
yeah, we had our acorn war. It's pretty fun. Still thundering a lot out, sadly.
What?
Yeah, it's, maybe we can go on the boat some. Yeah, so we are about to go on the boat and have a boat ride. Should be fun. The thunder's far enough out, so that should be good. Oh, it's steep here.
Make sure you always have a life jacket on if you're under 18 when you're going boating, because otherwise...
Yeah, keep a life jacket on.
And it's against the North Carolina state law.
Oof! 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 Yeah, we just got back from boating. We kind of had to stop early. Something in the boat's not working. Probably won't sadly get to do any tubing tomorrow, so that kind of sucks. We're gonna get started on supper soon. So yeah, it was fun. Didn't do any too much tubing, but I'm not feeling up to snuff right now, so. Yeah, we're back at camp now. We're settling in. Yeah, so we just finished up cooking supper. It's really good. It's kind of like fajita burrito things. We don't have any of much of the filling unless somebody's gonna be so pissed. Aiden.
We're gonna be having a dump cake.
Yeah, we're gonna try to have the dump cake if it doesn't rain and we can get a fire started. It's we just finished up supper and cleaned it up, and yeah, we're gonna try to cook a dump cake. Here's Ender. Yeah, so we have this fire going. Hopefully, we'll stay through the rain.
But it's starting to rain, so hopefully it'll just stay sprinkling-ish for now.
Yeah.
Until it finally dies down and we can cook it.
Hopefully, it will.
Hopefully, it'll survive.
Hopefully, we'll survive. But it does look like a good fire, so maybe it will.
It will survive. It will survive.
Yeah, it's starting to rain, so that's not good. But it should be fine, hopefully. It's getting late out. We're just gonna be going to bed, and we'll pick up in the morning. So, yeah. Yeah, I just got up. It was a pretty good night last night. Slept pretty well. It's a new day. We'll probably be leaving pretty early soon. Well, not soon. Have to make breakfast, clean up, and do camp and stuff, but I'm up pretty early. No one else is up. It's like 7:05. Yeah. Yeah, so we just basically finished up all packing there. As you can see, kids are over there trying to cook breakfast. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. We've never really mastered the art of pancakes, so we kind of have to see how things go. So yeah, I just finished up breakfast. It was really good. The pancakes turned out actually surprisingly well. I think we're gonna get some kids to start cleaning up, and there's a few people like Eric over there. He's still finishing backing up. You can see between those two trees. So we're just getting about ready to leave. We have a few more things to finish up, such as cleaning up, getting all of our gear together, but we'll be on our way home.
Yeah.
So, hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time.
He's triggered.
Food!
Lake
We just made it to the lake. Well, we're about to put the
What?
boats in. Lake is down there, okay. Aiden has to go and do something. I think his mom called.